swim again. Swim for me. Come on, swim to me. Come on. What's happening? Hello, Mr. Shark. What are you? Ah! Is it Connor?
Yeah.
Hi, Connor. Oh, hello, Mr. Shark. Oh, hello, Connor. Oh, hello, Mr. Shark. What were you using earlier? When you said, when you were doing something, you said, I'm using my what were you using?
Imagination.
Your imagination?
Yeah.
And what were you doing when you were using your imagination?
I pretend to be just a fish.
You were pretending what?
To be just a fish.
Oh, you pretended the leaf was a fish. Okay. All right, say bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.